Accurate open cell measurement relies on washing all sugars out of open or broken cells into sample water. Aggressive tumbling or washing of the sample in the sample container breaks cells, increasing the sugar concentration of the sample water. The result is an incorrect higher reading of pollen open cell or preparation index. This can lead to significant factory losses if the milling engineers believe shredder performance is better than it actually is. Sugar that can be recovered is lost and factory profitability is reduced. The Jeffco PT01 is a gentle washing tumbler that does not break additional cells, whilst extracting 100% of open cell sugars. This provides a highly accurate indication of factory shredder performance, which can lead to higher factory profitability.